I was like, guys, welcome to the garage. It's giveaway time. Getting very close to that 1,000 subs now. So I thought it was about time I done a giveaway. I was going to do one at 850, but it got up to 850 that quick that I didn't actually have a chance to make a video. So this video is Road to 1,000 subs giveaway. This video will stay up and keep running with the giveaway until we hit 1,000 subs. Gonna do a 900 sub giveaway, a 950 and 1,000, and it'll all be on this one video. Gonna give away the WPL, so this one, the C14. You can see mine is in bits at the moment. Just got some, I've got a big, slightly more powerful motor on the way, and some softer. I'm going to try the softer tyres on it as well that come with the kit version. So I've got some softer tyres and a new motor coming for that. But yeah, going to give away 3 of these. Like I said, one at 900, one at 950, and one at 1,000. What have you got to do to win one? It's quite easy. Just need to subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, subbed or subscribed, give it a little like, and then I'll draw a winner from the comment section, like I said, at 900, 950 and then 1,000. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, you're free to enter this one, and it is as simple as just subscribing to the channel, commenting subscribed on the video, and give it a like. Only one comment per person. Anyone comments more than that, then I'll just keep you out of it. Just keep it fair. It'll be the ready to run version that you win. This was the ready to run version, but I've upgraded it with micro servo, ESC, and it now runs a LiPo as well. Cheers for all the support so far. If you're already subscribed, really appreciate it. When it gets to 900, 950 and 1,000, I'll do a random pick a winner from my TubeBuddy account. I will pin and heart the winner on the comment section so you can see who it is. You just need to send me a message, or if you could go over to my Facebook page, which is Tom and his RC Garage on Facebook. There's a link in the description for that. Go over to that and send me a message on that either there, or obviously on YouTube, and then we'll sort out getting the truck to you. Anyway, good luck to everyone, and I'll see you at 9, 950 and 1,000 for the 3 winners. Anyway, cheers.